Before we talk about how to find cases, let's talk about what reporters and digests are. Reporters contain published cases for specific jurisdictions. This is where you go to read the full opinion of a case. But there's a problem. Cases and official reporters are generally printed chronologically, with no subject indexing, and there are hundreds and hundreds of reporter volumes. So if you don't have a citation, how do you find cases on your topic? The solution? You use the West Digest system. These digests index all published cases for specific jurisdictions. They're arranged by topic, and each legal issue is assigned a topic and key number. You'll learn more about the topic and key number system in your LPS class. So remember, reporters contain full opinions or cases, and digests are tools that help us find those cases. Let's say we need to find cases that deal with whether or not the use of a dog constitutes a search. The first thing we need to do is brainstorm terms. Maybe the term dogs or searches. Once you have your terms, go to the descriptive word index. Under dogs, we'll find an entry for use of dog constituting search under the topic searches and key number 22. Now we'll go to the main digest volume that contains that topic and key number, and we'll find cases that deal with this very specific topic. Notice that we can get brief case summaries or squibs for each of the cases. This is very helpful because we can quickly determine whether or not each case is relevant and whether or not we should read the full opinion in one of the reporters. And note the citation. We'll need that to get the full opinion. Remember that the first number is the volume of the reporter, and the second is the page number. So in this case, we'll go to volume 906 of the Northeastern Regional Reporter, 2nd Series, page 970. So let's recap. First, go to the digest for your jurisdiction. Then, go to the descriptive word index to determine which main volume you'll need to find relevant case citations and summaries. Once you determine which cases are on point, you should read the full opinion in one of the case reporters. If you prefer, after you find case citations, you can always pop onto Westlaw or Lexis or another online database and read the cases. If you're using paper, you'll want to find the reporter volume. State materials are on the 5th floor, and federal reporters, like the regional reporters and Supreme Court reporters, are on the 6th floor. Notice that when we see our case in the regional reporter, we'll see the parallel site where it appears in the state reporter, and other research tools like headnotes and additional topics and key numbers that are addressed in your case. When you're using paper resources, always check pocket parts to make sure you have the most current information. Like with statutes, currency is one of the greatest advantages of online research. Databases can be updated almost immediately as soon as changes happen. But again, remember, you might not have access to Westlaw and Lexis after you graduate or at internships and clerkships. So in those situations, using paper resources to find and read cases is a good alternative.